Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to stream to twitch.tv using Zoom. This is a great way to broadcast your content directly through Zoom's platform while engaging with your Twitch audience in real time. First, you'll want to open your Zoom app on your device. Once it launches, go ahead and log in using your credentials. Make sure you enter your email and password correctly to access your account. This step is essential as it gives you access to all of Zoom's features, including the screen sharing capability we'll be using for streaming. After logging in, the next step is to join a meeting. Click on the Join Meeting option and enter the meeting ID or simply start your own meeting if you're hosting. This puts you into the Zoom interface where you'll have access to all the tools necessary for streaming. Once you're in the meeting, take a look at the bottom toolbar. You'll see several options available to you. Locate and click on the Share button. This button is your gateway to sharing content from your screen, which is exactly what we need to stream to Twitch. Clicking it will open up a new window showing you all the screens and applications available for sharing. Now, here's where it gets interesting. From the screen sharing options, you need to click on the screen that enables your Twitch stream. This could be a browser window where Twitch is open, or it could be your entire desktop if you're running Twitch through a streaming software. Once you've selected the correct screen, click the Share button to confirm your selection. This action will begin sharing that screen to everyone in your Zoom meeting, effectively allowing you to live stream your Twitch content through Zoom's platform. At this point, you're now live streaming your Twitch content. Your viewers in the Zoom meeting will be able to see everything happening on your Twitch stream in real time. This creates an interactive experience where you can engage with your audience while broadcasting your content. You can continue streaming for as long as your session requires. When you're finished with your live stream, it's time to wrap things up. Look for the Stop Share button, which should now be visible in your Zoom toolbar, typically at the top of your screen. Click on Stop Share to end the screen sharing session. This will stop broadcasting your Twitch stream to the Zoom meeting and return you to the regular meeting view. And there you have it. You've successfully streamed to Twitch using Zoom. This method gives you flexibility in how you share your content and engage with your audience across platforms. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.